Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Friday, January 29th. Time is 8:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, not in a trade at this moment. Kind of gauging about 100 tick up and down overnight, and right now we're just kind of sitting in the area of indecision. So, getting pretty close to overbought, but not quite there yet. So, possibly looking for a short around 33.90. Did a couple scalps. One was a win, one was a loss. Over in here, actually a little bit ago, a short there, and I think I took a short. It was back over in here somewhere. Anyway, so looking for a position run. So I think we're probably going to push up just a little bit more. And, with the Bulls being in control pretty much all week except Monday, it's really difficult to gauge which way they want to take this thing. So I'm just going to sit on the sidelines for the moment and decide if I'm going to be a bull or a bear today. So, all right, guys, I'll be back and we'll see where we're at. Okay, I hopped in this trade long at 33.68, looking to take half off at 78. And my stop is sitting right here at 58 at the moment. So we'll see what's going to happen from this point. All right, I'll be back. Okay, half off there at 78. Going to adjust my stop to 64. That's going to be a 4-tick stop at the moment. And if we can get a close up on this bar, then I'll look to adjust my stop at break even at that point. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, adjusting my stop here at break even. I'm actually going to pull 2 contracts off at this point too. At market. Okay, all out at 80. Stop is sitting at break even now, and I'm still 3 contracts long at 68. All right. Okay, and let's see here. Yeah. So, all right, guys, I'll be back, and still kind of gauging. I think we're going to reach the overbought area, and I'll possibly look to go short at that point there. So, as for now, though, just kind of hanging tight long. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, stop was taken out there at break even. Got a really decent cluster right here at 78. So, may look for a pullback and take this guy short. Now, we caught a lot of momentum on this down pressure right here. So I'm going to see if we can get a pullback up here. I think we actually touched. We came within the tick of touching the value area high, and I'll see if I look to get short there or get short in that area possibly. So if not, I'll adjust on the fly. All right, I'll be back. Okay, just hop short right up here at 83 or 82 rather, and looking to pull half off at 72. Stop is sitting right there on the 5 deviation line at 92. And I think if we get hung up there, stop. Okay, if we get hung up here, see, we just hit the value area high. Okay, guys, let me watch. I'll be back. Just got stopped out there. I'm going to jump right back in short. See if we can get it at market. Okay, in at 93. Hopefully that wasn't premature. And looking to pull half off at 83. And stop is sitting at 44.03. 3403 is stop. Alright, let's sit tight and see, we're going to get a bounce here. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I was just stopped out again, and at this point, looks like we may have a triple top forming up here. So I'm gonna wait for, we got a big 400 print right there. Okay, I'm gonna give it one more shot. See if we can take this joker short here. Okay, in at 3401 short. I'll look to pull half off at 91. Half. Okay, and we'll see which way we go from here. Alright, down pretty big this morning so far, so let's see if we can get this made on back here. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Alright, half off at 91. Stop is going to be moving to break even now at 3401. And we're gonna hold and watch. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, stop was just taken out at 01. Going to reanalyze here. I believe we're trying to form a triple top or so. Alright. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I wanted to do some adjusting for this happened here. So got short again at 3402. Not quite half contract yet at 92. I was still adjusting, so it touched, but I wasn't ready for it. So let's see if we can push back down again. And my stop is at 12. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, taken out at 12 up there. Coming up on an ice line. Right now, at this point, I'm just going to sit back and wait. Bulls are strong again, and I just don't know. So wait for a big old 400 print, and we'll look to get short at that point. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, big prints right here at 34.15. I'm going to leave my limit set at 34.20. And we'll see if we can jump that short at that point. Alright, see you soon. Okay guys, kind of getting hammered a little bit. So what I'm going to be doing is entering in on a stop limit. If we push back down to 34.20, it'll trigger short at that point. But a lot of strength still going up here, so I definitely don't want to jump in front of that. I'll catch it on the retrace. So that's where my order's sitting right now, and I got to run off for a few minutes. I'll be back and give an update if and when I get filled. Alright, be back shortly. Okay, just getting back. I see I'm triggered short at 35.15, and it came look like one ticker moving the stop out. So I didn't pull off half at that either. So okay guys, I'm gonna just hold this, and let me see here. I'm gonna leave my stop up at 25 for the moment. No, I'm not. I'm gonna bring it down to 20. Alright, hang on one second, let me get that adjusted. Nah, 25. Getting kind of confusing right now. Alright guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, at this point I am going to move my stop to break even. I'm still holding all 10 contracts on this one here, but I'm liking this push down right now. So actually if I pull everything out, that would get me back pretty much a break even day, a little better than a break even day. So, but I'm looking to pull 100 ticks off of all 10 contracts. So that'll be a $10,000 move, and that'll probably be about a $7,000 day or so. So that's what I'm looking for. So we had a big push down coming down now. So obviously the issue is going to be the moving average, the point of control, and if we can get on down in this I zone. So I'm looking for a push down to this value area low at 3,300. And my take profits right here at 33.15. So that is, unless I see a humongous number, I'm talking even over 400, then I'll probably look to pull half off there. So, alright guys, I'll be back and we'll see where we at. Alright, changed my mind. I'm seeing some big prints right here, big 500 prints. I'm going to pull half off there. And let's see what we get out at. Okay, came out at 33.71. And so you're getting pretty close. Let's see. I will adjust my stop down 05, 10 ticks. And final target is 33.15 still. So big old print right there. So don't know what's going to happen, but as a trader, you know, ideally you like to get the big 100 tick runners, but you always want to utilize risk management as well. So at this point, just utilizing how I know how to trade. So if we get a break on down, then look to continue that there. So, all right, guys, I'll be back. We'll see where we at. All right, so this drop is looking pretty good. I'm short up here at 15. And final target set at 33.15. I'm still 5 contracts short up there at 34.15. So I'm not going to be doing any more adjusting other than probably my stop. But I'll leave my final take profit. Okay, we're going to hit the point of control. This will be the challenge. If we can close past that, then it should be smooth selling on down from that point there. So at this point, just going to watch and see if we can grab 100 ticks off of here and end this day. So rough morning, really rough morning. So took some pretty big dings. But actually, it looks like I'm right about back where I need to be now. So, all right, we'll see where this ends up at. I'll be back shortly. Okay, my stop is just above 33.95, just above this 5 deviation line and this value area high. At this point, I am done adjusting, so either we're going to hit at 33.15 down here, or we're going to hit in this area. So, good deal on the profit there. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to pull one more contract off, and that will lock me right back at about break even at that point. And everything else I have to adhere is going to be profit. So okay, one off at 33.47. So still 4 contracts short at 34.15. And final target 33.15, stop at 33.95. Alright guys, I'm not gonna watch this. I'm gonna walk away for a little bit and I'll be back. Alerts come through on my phone and I'll be back at about that time. That is if I don't get bored. So alright, I'll be back shortly. Alright, we are getting close. I just needed to get on down to 15. Keep on pushing. Hate to get way down here and run down to 99 and mess around and get stopped or retraced from there. So let's see, you can get one decent push. Just give me one decent push. Okay, gonna move my stop to 48. 45. Okay. And that's 70 ticks at 45 there. So, profitable day now. So regardless of where we end up at, oh man, that would suck if that goes back up there though. So, okay, I'm gonna watch and I'll be back. All right, finally, that was kind of heart wrenching a little bit, but that finally did it. So, okay, 100 ticks. That is that trade there on this push down from 15 down to 33.15, 34.15 down to 33.15. So, all right, guys, that's the end of this video. So thanks for watching. Kind of a tough morning, but ended off in profit on this position rundown. So, all right, you guys have a good weekend, and we'll see you next week. All right, see you later.